Hi, my name's Owen Beardsmore from Service UK, and for the past 12 months I've been using Leupold kit. I've started using the Leupold rangefinder, and this is the RX-1600i, and it's best in class. Now, it's something I wasn't used to using to start off with, and I've seen all the films of the guys in the States when they're out turkey hunting using a rangefinder, but I've soon got used to it. It's got a lovely, comfortable, ergonomic grip. It's very lightweight, aluminium chassis. You basically put it up to your eyes, you point at whatever you want to range, you hit the button, hit it again, and it gives you a distance. Off that, you can dial it into your scope, works together with your rifle scope. Wonderful piece of kit, waterproof, rugged. The nice people at Leupold tell me that this is the best in its class, and I've been using it for half of its ability, to be honest. I've been using it for just ranging and guiding people and telling them the distance that it is, but it's way more capable for that. I've only used it in Scotland a long distance, but I use it most of the time for getting clients into deer or looking to a point to stalk to as a reference point. And it's great piece of kit to use, lightweight, fits in my pocket, and again, backed up with Leupold's lifetime warranty. It's a precise, accurate and versatile piece of kit, and for just over £500, it's very good value and definitely worth adding to your kit.